Okay, so today I'm super excited. We are gonna make some JOJO bars featuring one of my favorite sweet treat products. I actually haven't tried the Hawaiian ones yet, so I'm super excited about this. I think these will go really well with the bars. And one thing that I love most about these is that they don't have a ton of sugar. These ones actually have 0 sugars in them, but they still satisfy that sweet tooth without bogging me down with a bunch of sugar. This is gonna be a super simple ingredient recipe. So of course we need our JOJOs. We're gonna use some almond flour. We're gonna do some coconut oil, honey, water, and salt. Start with 2 cups of almond flour directly into our processor. Then we're gonna do 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. From here, we're gonna process until it's kind of like a fine sand, kind of a crumbly texture. We've got our kind of crumbly textured base. So we're gonna add about 1/2 tablespoon up to 2 tablespoons of water. Just slowly add it and we'll see until we get the right consistency. So it should look about like cookie dough, like you could form it together and it would stick just fine. It's not crumbly, but it's not too wet. And that's the texture and the consistency that you're looking for. We are gonna form our little bars now. So get your JOJOs. Dump a couple out so we know about the size that we want to make them. We want to make them a little bit bigger than our JOJO bar here because we're going to be sticking our JOJO right on top. Get out about a tablespoon of dough per bar. And we're just going to form it right here, free form with our fingers. So free form it just a few millimeters, centimeters, I don't know.
Inches.
Centimeters?
Millimeters.
Not inches. So just free form it a few centimeters larger than our JOJO bars. And then we're just gonna take a JOJO bar and smash it right on top. These are gonna be good.
Hope so.
So I've actually never even tried this recipe. This is the first time. So fingers crossed that it turns out and that it's amazing. I think it will be because I mean, look at this. It looks incredible. Hopefully it cooks right and melts how I think it's going to. You're gonna wanna bake these cookies at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. They'll start to turn a little bit dark on the edges and that's when you know that they're done.
Okay, here's the true taste test, right?
That's right.
First time making these.
Let's see how they
A
are.
little bit of watching you, filming you make these, and I'm excited to, cheers.
It's softer
It's way softer
than I thought it would be.
If you're a fan of JOJO's and cookies and health,
I think it's awesome.
yeah, I think it's good too.
I'm not like used to the super sweet desserts like a normal cookie. And so this is like perfect for me.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of honey in the shortbread base and then the JOJO on top.
Yeah, that's good. If you like dark chocolate and healthy snacks, like this is money.
It is all down your face.
Oh yeah. You know it's a good cookie if it's melting all over your
It's
body.
good. I like it.
That was good actually. I like that.
I like it.
Good job.